It is Pride Month. I am an ally, and that is why I'm doing this, just to spread awareness for the fact that love is love. That is what my shirt says. Love it so much. I got this on my birthday. But before we get into that, hi honeys, it's your Queen Bee. So this is basically just a makeup tutorial. I followed another person's picture, so hopefully you guys enjoy and stay tuned. So I've pretty much done all of my makeup. I just have to do my eyes. I'll only be using this EYN Bright palette. This is pretty much the only palette you'll ever need when it comes to rainbow stuff. So I am going to be using a picture for reference just because I didn't feel like creating something of my own. I just wanted to show like my take on the tutorial. We are going to be doing a little bit of different things with it, but this is just like a base outline. So I have painted my nails. So on this side we're doing the reds and everything, and on this side we're doing the blues and everything, just to kind of keep it more flowing with the color pattern. So I'm just going to take this little skinny brush and I'm just going to make lines where I want the colors. That way I can like kind of add onto it and blend it. So, and you can like add each color individually, but I just want to keep it quick and simple for myself. So she started with pink on this side, but I'm going to go with red because that's how my nails are. I would definitely recommend investing in a little brush cleaner thing. That way your colors don't get too muddy and it doesn't look kind of haphazardly and everything else. So with the bigger brush, or maybe I'm just going to take the pointier small brush, I'm just going to really pack on those colors. Now I'm only going to do this side for now, and I'll work on to the other side because I want to see how it's going to look first. So we're pretty much good for this side, so I'm going to work on the next side, and again I'm just going to start planning and then blending upon that color, and then hopefully ending up with something pretty like this. I didn't go down as far as she did just because I don't normally do my makeup like that, but that's completely up to everyone else. So the eyeshadow's pretty much done, so we're just going to move on to the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I have the Mermaid Heart and the Love from I Heart Revolution, and then we also have another one from Revolution. It is the Sophie X highlighter palette, and this is more just because it's got like the pink and the purple, and we're going to do like a pinkish red over here that kind of comes down, and then over on the side the purple that kind of comes to blue on the way down. And we're going to start subtle, so we're going to use the Sophie X palette, and we're going to do the pink one first and just go all the way down. And then we're just going to take the red, and it's kind of hard to get to, especially with the fluffier brush, just because of the positioning of like the actual highlighter. But without getting into the orange, we're just going to take and go mostly where we put the pink and just make it really bold. So I think that's as good as my highlighter is gonna get. It's not like the boldest or brightest thing. It is more of a cheaper brand, but I don't want to waste product and I don't want to make it look too gaudy. So we're just going to call it good on the red side and just start on the blue. So we're going to take the purple from the Sophie palette and just do the same thing. And then again, the positioning, at least it's on the corner for both of them, but just try not to get into the orange, and we're just going to go pretty much where we put the light purple one. I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be back. And I mean, there you go. This is the final look. I love it a lot. I'm probably not going to have my glasses on for the pictures or anything, just because I do want the eyeshadow to be showing, and when I wear my glasses there's a glare and you can't normally see my eye makeup, which sucks, but it's okay. So yeah, this is like blinding. I love it. So I'm going to go take my pictures, and that's pretty much going to be it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think I've really filmed a Pride makeup video before. I've been meaning to, like last year was just so hectic. I think I filmed like a space thing instead. But I just never really had like the outfit to showcase it. And I just bought this, it just came in the mail on my birthday, which was amazing. So yeah, and plus I just dyed my hair again. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like. And if you like me, make sure to subscribe. And if you like me even more, make sure to check the description below and follow all of my social media links. And comment down below, would you try this makeup look, or maybe have you tried anything Pride related for makeup? And with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Love you.